If your iPhone says there isn't enough storage for an update, start with large media instead of deleting random apps and memories. First, open the App Store and search for Video Compressor HEVCut. Choose the purple app with this icon. Open the listing and tap Get to download it. When the installation finishes, tap Open. The first time HEVCut opens, tap Allow Full Access so it can find the photos and videos you want to manage. In HEVCut, open videos and sort by largest files. Compress 1 or 2 large clips that offer a meaningful saving. Next, open Unwanted Photos. Review old screenshots, screen recordings, and saved images you no longer need. Let compression finish, confirm the smaller copies, and empty recently deleted if appropriate. Then return to Settings and retry the update.